Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into how AI is transforming cybersecurity, straight from RSA 2024. This year's RSA conference showcased the brightest minds and most innovative companies. The consensus: AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity, making our defenses more efficient. AI isn't new to cybersecurity. Long before ChatGPT, AI and machine learning were key players. But what's changed? Generative AI is democratizing access to cybersecurity. It's not just for pros. Even non-experts can understand their security better. Rachel Jin from Trend Micro talked about AI for security and security for AI. Their AI-driven initiatives aim to transform user experiences, moving from reactive to proactive. Amer Deba from Normalize highlighted how AI secures data across environments. They're using AI to understand where sensitive data resides and who has access. Leonid Belkind from Talk introduced HyperSOC, integrating hyper-automation. This reduces alert fatigue and enhances analyst efficiency. Proofpoint's Sumit Dhawan and Ryan Kalemba showed AI-driven email threat detection. AI in cybersecurity isn't just an advantage, it's essential. Generative AI is the new frontier, creating sophisticated defenses. Experts agree. AI augments, not replaces, human analysts. It's about leveraging AI to enhance human expertise. That's a wrap on how AI is transforming cybersecurity at RSA 2024. Stay tuned for more tech insights.